What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. I am on the way to Russell's place. I'm gonna go work on the silver RX7. It's been a little while since I picked up the camera, about 2 weeks, just a lot going on. Don't really want to get into it, I don't know, maybe I will. It's stupid. Anyway, getting back into the swing of things. Gonna go work on the RX7, we're gonna start it tonight. I'm gonna hear it with a full exhaust. Russ has been kind enough to make me new brackets for the intercooler. The ones that I did about 2 or 3 vlogs ago, he didn't dig it, he wasn't happy with it, so he redid them, and I am forever grateful and really appreciate it. I didn't ask him to do it, he just went out of his way and he did it. So dude, if you're watching this, thank you so much, really appreciate it. Guys, we're almost there, and I'm going to see my RX7 for the first time in 2 weeks again. Oh, and if you haven't noticed already, I'm actually driving the MR2 SW20. Yeah, we made it, boys, in the MR2. Already started working. A bit of an issue here. I decided to go back to the stock compensation pipe. This one's an absolute fuck up. Remember I did some plastic welding here? Well, it broke. We're back to the stock pipe, and these are the brackets that I was talking about in the car. Russ kindly made for me. These are flipping amazing. Check this out, I found something interesting. I've got these like Night Sport, what does it say? SSD Pro Setting Dampener. We'll set to the softest, so it says here anti-clockwise is soft, clockwise is hard. We'll set to 1, I've turned it down to 5, or, well, it should be like medium, halfway. Same here, same story, these red guys. And then I've got them in the rear too. Now recently I found this piece of paper. It was some Jasma Night Sports motors from Japan. Someone was kind enough to translate it for me into English on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go check me out at NelkelJDM. So thank you for the translation, it's freaking awesome. It actually turned out that the car did have some noise test that was done, some Jasma noise test, and anyway, it had some Night Sports thing on the dock. I haven't actually read the translation properly because, as you guys know, I've been AWOL and trying to be off Instagram and YouTube for a little while. I haven't even replied to say thank you, but I definitely will. Night Sports, that's cool. Let's see if I can sneak up on Russ. Alright boys, we're on the last step. There's the exhaust. Looking damn good. Russ is working on the down pipe. Making a hole for the bung. Yeah! I'm gonna leave that in there. So Russ gave me some advice here. I actually set up my wideband to come through here. And the problem is it's right next to the manifold. You guys can see, probably not. There's the lights. It's right next to the manifold, right next to the turbo. That shit's gonna melt. Russ has told me I need to move it up, and it's gonna go above the bell housing, and the down pipe's gonna be somewhere over here. We're gonna put the sensor at a whatever degree angle over here, and the wiring is gonna come over. There's a bunch of wires at the top here for like speedo and some other crap. It's gonna be on the same clips. But we're right there. We just need to weld the bung on for the wideband. We're done. Russ is doing some dents on the exhaust as well. 2 places. There's a dent. You can see there where there's a little bit of paint. It's knocking over here. So it's just touching over there, so we're going to dent it so it's flush. And then the second one was knocking there. So we're going to dent that guy.
Make sure you just a quick wipe here to make sure we're clear.
Okay, cool. Alright guys, we just finished the exhaust on the car. About to do the first start with the V-band and 3 bolts. It's actually pretty impressive. I'm so stoked with this. That's what it looks like from the back. Probably help if I put the battery terminal back on. It's good enough for now. Ready when you are.
Alright, start up.
Oh, do me a favor. Can you pass me the hand controller through the other window? Ah, shot. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. I can feel it at the bottom. Yeah, put your hand down there. Can you feel that? Let me switch it off before it gets too hot.
Give it a little rim.
1 sec. What a little leak there on the V-band.
Yeah. Well, it's hard to say if it's on the V-band or if it's
or the
coming.
manifold.
Yeah. Check out that thing's glowing orange. See
I felt it rushing that way though. It felt like it was coming off the V-band. What's going on?
Can you see how? Can you see?
Oh fuck! Look at that.
Both headers. That's why you gotta wrap it, bro. I mean, that's just on idle.
Jesus, that's hot, sir.
It glows a.
You're saying wrap
orange.
the headers?
That's what I did on mine. And it's a puss thing because you had to take that all off.
Oh my god. I was such a bitch to put this thing on.
But you can see already, bro, it's like orange hot idling. That's not even like...
Honestly, I think it was on the V-band. It was shooting like straight out, like right here.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Now it's gonna be fucking hot.
Oh, it's fine. At least maybe there'll be a little bit of black residue, hopefully.
Oh, let's go. Prom them pumps.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.